Natura decorative technique brings the enchanting and unique beauty of nature and revives the uniqueness of each ambience. The use of adequate tools will help to create a unique and sophisticated interior look. When working on the application of decorative techniques, the contractor should have an appropriate clothing combination that can be inspiring and authentic. The first step in performing Natura decorative techniques is the application of BK Deco acrylic base for decorative materials. Acrylic base effectively evens out the surface and improves the adhesion of decorative materials, and after mixing it is applied crosswise with a long-haired roller or brush on previously cleaned surfaces. The next step in performing the decorative technique involves applying BK Natura decorative paste mass with the appearance of natural materials for interior walls. This eco-friendly washable paste mass of exceptional workability enables the creation of various finishing effects of wood, stone, marble or crocodile skin. BK Natura is a finished material that does not need diluting, and after mixing it is applied to the surface in one layer. It is produced in white color, and the final color effect is achieved by applying BK Velatura transparent coating for decorative techniques. Through the authentic Natura catalog, 40 inspiring shades of this striking decorative technique are presented. Characteristic techniques of applying the material with the use of appropriate tools achieve different styles of decorative techniques. One of the styles involves applying BK Natura decorative mass in a thickness of 2 to 3 mm, using a suitable trowel. Then, with light strokes, using the same tool, different patterns are created. The final color effect is achieved by applying BK Velatura, a transparent washable coating for decorative techniques intended for indoor and outdoor use. BK Velatura is applied with a long-haired brush, roller or sponge gradually on smaller areas of 1 to 2 square meters in cross strokes. Using a plastic fan removes excess material while it is still wet. The paint is dry to the touch after 6 to 8 hours, while complete surface resistance is achieved after 21 days. The second style can be performed by applying BK Natura decorative material using a trowel, and then the surface is treated with a specific roller that forms the structure of crocodile skin. The final color effect is achieved by applying BK Velatura on smaller surfaces. And then the excess material while it is still wet is wiped off using a sponge. The paint is dry to the touch after 6 to 8 hours, while complete surface resistance is achieved after 21 days. The next option involves a style that is performed by applying BK Natura decorative mass using an appropriate trowel, and then a striking relief structure is created with a decor comb. The final color effect is achieved by applying BK Velatura on smaller surfaces. And then the excess material while it is still wet is wiped off using a sponge. The paint is dry to the touch after 6 to 8 hours, while complete surface resistance is achieved after 21 days. Natura decorative technique subtly brings the language of nature into the modern interior, making it vivid and unique.